Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use our Disco Cactus Layered Embosser. It's a cute little design. I'm going to use 3 colours and a white base. So we'll be using yellow, white for our base, we'll be using a neon pink, and a pink. Alrighty, to get started, I'm just going to dust the stamp with some corn flour. Knock out the excess. Basically what we want to start with is filling these little holes with the yellow icing. These are sort of rounded, so they should give a cute little effect once we stamp it. So we're just going to simply fill in the little lights. I want to keep it clean as we go. So we don't want this transferring over onto the pink. There are all little balls. Drop them in the holes and then just scrape over. Okay, so we have this all filled in. Then we're going to come on top with our pink. I actually don't need a lot. So the idea is not to disturb the yellow stuff we just put in too much. So what I'm going to do is I will press this down, get it fairly level. As you can see, we have messed that up already. So once you put it in, it pretty much sticks straight away. So basically what I'm doing here is just scraping the side away so then I can pull it out. So as we're doing this, it's okay if this sort of mounds up a little bit. Alrighty, so that there is pretty much done. Now we want to come over the top with the neon pink. Similar thing, just lay it on gently. We want to avoid pushing this icing out. So just come on gently. Same thing, just bring it over to the just go through, sort of peel it back a bit from the edge of the mold. Hopefully this will help it release a bit better. All right, so we'll take our white icing for the base. Knead it so it's a bit sticky. Dust the bench. Now I'm going to roll this out to about 3 millimeters high. Come back and just apply a bit more corn flour. Just make sure that's all clear. Then we're just going to come through and stamp. Fingers crossed this isn't going to be too sticky. Then we have our Disco Cactus. So if you wanted, you could paint these gold. There is a little bit of yellow through there, but that's fine. It just looks like the lights are glowing. So yeah. See the roundness of the lights there? There you have it.